He put lotion on he and I. के भन्छौ तिमीले? He put lotion on he and me.
On him and me.
Him and me. She and me went to the store. हुन्छ कि she and I went to the store हुन्छ?
She and me went to the store.
And then Erilyn asked he and I to complete the job. Erilyn asked him and I to complete the job. Erilyn asked he and me to complete the job. Erilyn asked him and me to complete the job. Which one is correct?
Last one.
Erilyn asked him and me to complete the job. Here, he and me are going to Pokhara. He and me are going to Pokhara. He and I, him and me are going to Pokhara. He and I are going to Pokhara. I and him are going to Pokhara. Which one of these are correct? Which one of the second these?
He and me are going.
He and me.
He and me.
Right. So there is a confusion. We don't really know what to do where. Right? Should it be I? Should it be me? Should it be he? Should it be him? Should it be us? Should it be we? Alright? So to clear this confusion, हामी के गर्छौं त यसलाई कन्फ्युजनलाई क्लियर गर्नलाई हामीले पढ्छौं सब्जेक्ट एन्ड अब्जेक्ट प्रोनाउन पढ्छौं सब्जेक्ट एन्ड अब्जेक्ट प्रोनाउन सब्जेक्ट भनेको त सबैलाई थाहा छ सब्जेक्ट इज द पर्सन or a thing that is doing an action, right? So subject can be a pronoun. Subject के हुन सक्छ एउटा pronoun. Object भनेको के हो त? Object is a person or thing receiving the action. त्यो action जसले receive गरेको छ त्यो नै के हो त? Object हो. Pronoun, if we take pronouns I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they, these are subject pronouns. I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they. These are subject pronouns. Whereas when I becomes object, it has to be me. If I receive an action, it is me who receives the action. It becomes me. Okay? First person object is me. You is you. He becomes him. Right? You don't say, I give he a book. I give him a book. I is the one who does the action. So I is subject. Whom do I give the book? Him. That's the object. So therefore, he becomes him. She is her. Right? Object. It नै हुन्छ. We, us. हामी, हामीलाई. Right? हामी, हामीलाई. You, तिमीहरू, तिमीहरूलाई भन्नु र एउटै हो. They, them. भनेपछि यदि pronoun subject को रूपमा छ भने when the pronoun is in place of subject, if it's taking the position of subject in a sentence, either it should be I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they. But if it is acting as an object, then it has to be me, you, him, her, it, us, you, them. So how do we figure out whether it has to be I or me, we or us? कसरी थाहा पाउने त? We हुनुपर्छ कि us हुनुपर्छ, you हुनुपर्छ कि अब you त फरक पर्दैन, they हुनुपर्छ कि them हुनुपर्छ भन्ने कुरा कसरी थाहा पाउने त? How do we figure it out? By finding out whether that pronoun is subject or object. And if you know it's a subject, then of course one of these ones. If you know it's an object, then hey baba, one of these ones. Easy? Right? So, let's check out some examples. I worked in a factory. I is a subject. Right? I is a subject. Right? Similarly, she thought of studying in engineering. Who studies engineering?
She.
Who thinks? She. Therefore, she is the doer. She is the doer. She is the one who does the action. So therefore, the subject. The subject. We said goodbye. Who said? We. So we is subject, not an object. She telephoned me. What is me here?
Object.
Therefore, it's not she telephoned I. It should be she telephoned me. Who telephoned? She is the subject. Me is the object. Similarly, I hit him. I is the
Subject.
who does hitting. I does hitting, and then him is object. We saw her. Her is object. That's easy. So let's do some exercises. Okay, exercise number 1. Is it she telephoned yesterday or her telephoned yesterday?
She.
You have to write the form of she. She telephoned yesterday. Why? She is subject here. Therefore, it has to be she. And then we watched. He for hours. Him for hours. Why? Object. Here it's object, right? Hasn't ... arrived yet. Hasn't she arrived yet? Why?
Because
She is the
subject.
Are you talking to
Me.
Who is talking?
You.
You is talking. Subject is you. To whom? I. Therefore, I should become me.
I don't understand.
I don't understand or me don't understand.
I
don't understand. Right? So subject. Don't ask. Doesn't know.
Don't ask her. She doesn't know.
Don't ask her because don't ask her. Her is object. Subject is not there. Subject is indirect. Subject is not there. Subject here देखिया छैन के ए don't ask her भनेर कसैलाई कमान्ड दिएको के त्यो कोही छ नि जलाई त्यो कमान्ड दिएको मान्छेलाई हो त्यो यहाँ छैन don't ask her अनि
She doesn't know.
she चाहिँ के हो
Subject.
Similarly, this is Julia. के हुन्छ? We have known हुन्छ कि
She have known.
हुन्छ?
We have known.
हामीले मलाई जानेका छौं.
She have known her.
She को रूप के हुन्छ यहाँ?
Her.
Because her is
object.
Yeah, position of object. Nobody told
Them.
Nobody told. Nobody is the subject. कसैले भनेन. भन्यो त? भनेन उनीहरुलाई त्यसलाई them भनेको object हो. अनि why didn't
Why didn't she ask? Why didn't they ask?
she asked? Why didn't she ask her to come? Why didn't she ask?
Why didn't she ask them to come?
She. कसले सोध्नु पर्ने हो? She, right? Subject. अनि त्यसपछि
Them.
कसलाई सोध्नु पर्ने हो?
तिनीहरुलाई.
them object भयो. Object भनेको त्यो सोध्ने काम को माथि हुन्छ? उनीहरु माथि हुन्छ. गर्छ कसले? she ले गर्छिन् माथि को माथि? them माथि. them भनेको object हो, she भनेको यहाँ के हो?
Subject.
जस माथि काम गरिन्छ त्यो के हो? Object हो. जसले काम गर्छ त्यो के हो? I eat an apple. Eat कसले गर्छ? मैले. त्यही भएर म सब्जेक्टमा I कोलाई खान्छु म? एप्पल लाई. त्यही भएर त्यो को माथि काम गरियो? खाने काम को माथि गरियो? एप्पल माथि गरियो नि त, त्यही भएर एप्पल अब्जेक्ट भयो नि यहाँ पनि त्यो. Don't ask.
Me.
Don't ask me. Ask him.
मलाई नसोध बाबा।
Ask him.
तिमीले सब्जेक्ट कहाँ छ? सब्जेक्ट यहाँ देखिया छैन। डोन्ट आस्क मी भनेको मैले कसैलाई न कसैलाई त भने। तैँले मलाई नसोध भन्न मैले डोन्ट यु डोन्ट आस्क मी भने जस्तो हो के? यु डोन्ट आस्क मी।
Don't ask him.
डोन्ट आस्क हिम पनि हुन्छ। आस्क कलाई?
Him.
आस्क हिम।
Ask him.
अथवा डोन्ट आस्क हिम आस्क मी पनि हुन सक्छ। हैन? वी क्यान इन्टरचेन्ज गर्न सक्यो। त्यो त कुरो भयो। अनि त्यसपछि यहाँ
I think
He doesn't
I
like.
think-
I think he doesn't like me.
he think त हुँदैन, he त thinks हुन्छ। त्यही भएर
I think he doesn't
I
like
think he
me.
doesn't
He doesn't like me.
He doesn't like me. Yeah, I think he doesn't like. Like कसले गर्ने हो? He ले। Think कसले गर्ने हो? I ले। त्यही भएर he र I के हुन्? के छ?
He वो के रे
हाँसिरहेको छ।
I भनेको सुन।
त I पनि सब्जेक्ट, he पनि सब्जेक्ट। अनि कसलाई? मलाई। लाइक गर्ने काम को माथि भयो?
माथि।
अब्जेक्ट त्यही भएर। त्यसै गरिकन
They asked
They
him
They
to
asked-
invite us.
They
asked him to invite us.
they asked
Him to invite us.
to invite us. सोध्यो कसले? दे के हो यहाँ?
This
सब्जेक्ट हो। कसलाई?
Himलाई।
उसलाई। त्यही भएर के हो यो?
Object.
अब्जेक्ट हो। के गर्नलाई? हामीलाई बोलाउनलाई। बोलाउने कसलाई हो?
हामीलाई।
बोलाउने कसलाई हो? उसलाई, हामीलाई। कसले बोला भन्ने कुरा छैन। कसलाई बोलाइयो? त्यही भएर यो पनि अब्जेक्ट।
We asked them to invite him.
त्यो पनि हुन सक्छ। तिम्रो मन पनि छ। We पनि हुन सक्यो। We asked him to invite them पनि हुन सक्यो। You can interchange all of those. है तर अब्जेक्टको रूपमा जानु पर्यो अथवा सब अब्जेक्ट छ भने सब्जेक्ट छ भने सब्जेक्टको रूपमा जानु पर्यो। ठीक छ? त्यसो भएपछि अब हामीले चाहिँ पहिलो च्यालेन्जलाई हामीले हेर्नु पर्यो बाबा। यहाँ he put lotion on, उसले लोसन लगायो। के he हुन्छ कि he and I हुन्छ?
On him.
on
On him and me.
on him अथवा राम्रो चाहिँ himself आफै माथि लगायो आफैले। त्यही भएर himself गर्न सकियो है। and me myself होइन फेरि उसले लगाइदियो मलाई भनेको है ना बाबा। she and me went to the store हुन्छ कि on she and I went to the store हुन्छ?
She and me.
ए बाबा she and me हुन्छ। को गए जाने काम कसले गर्यो? उनले र मैले गरियो भनेपछि त म के हुन्छ? I हुन्छ बाबा। त्यही भएर के हुन्छ त? दिस इज करेक्ट। मी भन्छ यो पढा सोरन। अनि त्यसपछि फेरि एरलिन आस्क्ड he and I हुन्छ कि एरलिन आस्क्ड him and I हुन्छ कि एरलिन आस्क्ड he and me हुन्छ कि एरलिन आस्क्ड him and me?
Him and me.
किनभने सोध्ने काम कसले गर्यो?
एरलिन।
सब्जेक्ट त यता छ बाबा एरलिन भने अब्जेक्ट कसलाई सोधियो?
मलाई
त्यही भएर त्यो हुन्छ। किनभने यहाँ के छ ए अब्जेक्ट भयो भने हिम हुन्छ, मी हुन्छ हैन? अनि त्यसै गरिकन लास्टमा जाउँ अब he and me are going to पोखरा।
He and I are going to Pokhara.
him and me are going to पोखरा। he and I are going to पोखरा। I and him are going to पोखरा। ए बाबा he and me त हुने कुरो भयो अब्जेक्ट होइन नि। जाने काम त कसले गरेको? मैले गरेको हो। तर सब्जेक्ट हुनु पर्यो मी त यो अब्जेक्टको रूपमा भनेपछि यो होइन। यहाँ him and me
होइन।
him भनेको त अब्जेक्ट सब्जेक्ट जाने काम हो। he and I हो करेक्ट हो। यसरी चाहिँ हामीले प्रोनाउनमा कन्फ्युजन हुनु भएन। सब्जेक्ट हो कि अब्जेक्ट हो भन्ने कुरा जान्नु पर्यो। राइट? फर एक्जाम्पल घनश्याम र म टोयलेट जान चाहन्छौँ भनेर कसैले सोध्न खोज्यो। कसरी सोध्ने? घनश्याम एन्ड मी want to go to toilet हुन्छ कि घनश्याम and I want to go to toilet हुन्छ घनश्याम and I घनश्याम and me होइन बाबा घनश्याम and I ठिक छ कुरो बुझिन्छ